Hi all, let's discuss today editorial analysis related to science and technology, which would be useful for your GS2 mains as well as prelims. See, you know it very well. If we speak about diseases, there are mainly two categories. One is communicable disease and another one is NCD, that means non-communicable disease. In non-communicable diseases, we are going to look specifically about a disease called steatohepatitis. Seems so technical, right? But in simpler terms, we can call it as fatty liver disease. This disease can be further classified into two things. One is SASH, that is severe alcohol associated steatohepatitis, and another one is NASH, that is non-alcohol associated steatohepatitis. The important thing to be noted here is NASH is now renamed as MASH, that is metabolic dysfunction associated steatohepatitis. It is appreciable to change the name because even a teetotaler, I mean the non-drinkers of alcohol, are also affected by the same steatohepatitis. Means people naturally may tend to go for this drinking habit because the end result is same. Thus, this naming convention is a good move. That is from NASH to MASH. This is important in your exam point of view. Okay, let's look into the details. If a person is consuming more than 40 grams of alcohol in any forms every day, he will develop SASH, and in the next short span of time, he will develop liver cirrhosis and the fatality rate is 50 to 60%. This type of deaths due to alcohol related liver disease are silently happening in this world in large numbers. But there are other categories, that is non-alcoholic persons. They also develop this type of complications due to metabolic dysfunction or syndrome. That is, persons with obesity, cardiometabolic disorders, high blood cholesterol, diabetes are also highly susceptible to this type of fatty liver disease. The immediate question is, everybody knows that alcohol is injurious to health. Those who are consuming this alcohol suffering with this disease. What about me, a teetotaler, also being a victim of the same fatty liver disease? This question is striking in your mind, right? Before we get into the answer for this question, I will tell you another important information. That is, there is no treatment to cure this fatty liver disease till date. In worldwide, physicians are providing only vitamin E tablets to the patients to reduce the liver inflammation. That is a slight remedy, but it is not a cure at all. Coming to the point, why the teetotalers too affected by this disease? That is because of a bacteria called Enterococcus faecalis, which secretes alcoholic substances inside a body. Note down this name of the bacteria. This would be useful for your exam. That is Enterococcus faecalis. Okay, how researchers found the cause of this bacteria is through an interesting experiment. In 2016, researchers from Paris-Saclay University did a beautiful research and found the reason. What they did is, they transplanted feces from human with SASH, that is with severe alcoholic steatohepatitis, into a healthy lab-grown mice. After a few days, researchers found that lab-grown mice also developed SASH. Then researchers transformed fecal matter from healthy human into the same rat with SASH, along with the bacteriophage. I hope you know bacteriophage. Bacteriophage is nothing but a virus that kills bacteria. Surprisingly, the rat turns healthy with reduced fatty liver disease. This is a breakthrough finding in this disease study. Why this is important for you in exam point of view is, our Indian researchers in Institute of Research and Biliary Sciences, New Delhi, modified this entire research. That is, instead of using rat, they straight away used victim for experimental purpose. That is, they transferred the stool from healthy person into person with SASH or MASH. Interestingly, success rate is 88%. Thus, this is important breakthrough in this field globally. You note down the keywords being displayed on the screen and it would be useful for your written exam preparation. See you all in another video. Bye.